Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is, after researching on different forums and after checking the quality, we come to this point. This product comes with multiple amazing results. So if you want to buy this product, it is money saving. We will always recommend you to buy this product. We are going to give 5 stars to this amazing product. The quality and price chart is amazing. You are getting a premium product in affordable price. On Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. The number 3 on the list is, choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Crux Espresso Capsule Coffee Maker. Black and Silver. Country of Origin. CN. Model. 17642. Color. Black. 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 The number 2 on the list is, many positives reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Law Espresso capsules compatible with the Law Barista system. An artisan 1-cup coffee and espresso maker that uses 19 bars of high pressure for the perfect crema, delivering an at-home French cafe experience. Espresso capsules are compatible with Nespresso * original coffee machine. Not compatible with Nespresso Virtuo trademark of a third party. Not connected to Jacobs DOUWE Eggbits. Espresso Variety Pack. Includes 5 boxes of our intense blends curated by French coffee artists. Or Absolute Intensity 9. 10 capsules. Lungo Estremo Intensity 10. 10 capsules. Ristretto Intensity 11. 20 capsules. Onyx Intensity 12. 10 capsules. 50 recyclable aluminum capsules to protect and preserve the freshness of the finest Arabica and Robusta beans. Perfectly roasted and balanced for a gold standard body, intensity, and crema that creates a smooth, rich experience. A Rainforest Alliance certified coffee. An ethical involvement helping to improve social and environmental conditions within coffee bean plantations. The number 1 on the list is, this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Note: 1. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tamping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. 2. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. Quality. 19 bars high-pressure pump creates a barista-like coffee every time with 2 programmable buttons for the best single-serve espresso and lungo beverages. The input power is 1150 watts. Efficiency. A Sensor Mini single-serve espresso maker heats up in under 30 seconds with a single touch and powers off after 9 minutes. Reduced energy consumption after 3 minutes. Complimentary gift. Each espresso machine includes an Espresso Original Capsule welcome kit with a range of capsules with unique aroma profiles. Design. Unique compact design makes the Sensor Mini espresso maker a natural complement to your kitchen.